Oysters we harvested today. Ine! Nothing really. Onion. Oh, so this is what the Culinary is all about right here. Check out this table. This is black turkey. It's like a feast in here. Look at this. Thank you.
Good time.
So we're headed over to Akiko's house to see how she processes that seaweed. These are our children escorts to get us to where we're going. Hello, konnichiwa.
Two bears in a fair, both left their mother. Took the bottles and they poured them in a cup and they were gone when
The
she
piggyback cam. Alright, I see something going on. Hey, hello, konnichiwa. Alright.
Did you sleep well? Yes.
Very well, yeah. So this is the Hijiki. 3 days in here.
You can see it's this is much bigger. Sleep.
Breaks down.
Gotta get this fire going again.
There's a fire under there. Okay, so you Hijiki, you need to boil it.
1 day and 1 night.
After the Hijiki is boiling for a while, it turns black like this, black color. So we just learned that the thing that turns the Hijiki seaweed black from green is the iron. It's a big iron pot. Go, the next generation. After the Hijiki is boiled, she takes it, puts it in this little tub, like a screen door, and it dries out. What did you hear this morning?
An announcement for the village meeting
Okay.
at 10 minutes to 8 a.m.
It sounded like this, huh?
Yeah, and then somebody came on and spoke.
Looks like something's gonna happen here. Some chopsticks, I see some onion. They're pouring us some tea, it looks like.
あそこのかぶすと醤油と
Yep.
昆布、鰹節、みりん
Okay.
のまあドレッシングかな。ジャパニーズドレッシング。
Onions over the Hijiki. And now some ponzu sauce. Good job. Mixing it all up. Just a little morning snack. The hijiki we harvested, and then it has some onions that she grew herself. Ponzu sauce. So basically, this is like this is like local everything here. That's amazing. You're never gonna have a hijiki salad other than that. Noko oe, like the Hawaiians would say. Awesome. So yeah, this is the wakame process. It's a smaller pot than the hijiki pot. Here's the wakame that we harvested. Watch how it changes color in the pot. All of a sudden it's this beautiful green color. Yeah, look at that. Wakame. To be like a vigorous boil in order to get that nice color out. Split the leaf off from the stem. Another new mystery about to unfold here. Oh, nice. That's beautiful.
塩わかめ作ってるでしょ、こういうのね。お店に袋入って。
This is the wakame. Once it's through a lot of the process. Akiko says this is going to be really salty, but I just want to try it. I'm just curious. It is salty, but it's good. You can taste the seaweed. You want to try some?
We're harvesting.
Seaweed is an integral part of the Japanese diet. Learning from our hosts how to harvest and process the hijiki and wakame intimately connected us to the seascape and culture of Japan. And it hinted at the adventures we would have as we delved deeper into the essence of Asia.
Up next, more from Nakajima as we head up country to explore, pick, and devour the island's world-renowned citrus.